So the 2 billion years ago, first cellular form of life appeared, and then uh, like they do not have the ability to release O2. Okay. Uh, Now slowly single cell organisms become multicellular life forms. So by the time like 500 million years ago, that is, invertebrates were active and jawless fish probably around like 350 million years ago. Then seaweeds and few plants existed probably 320 million year ago, right? Mm, mm. Uh, then the first organisms that invaded land were plants. So first organisms that invaded plants were plants. Okay. So fish with stout and strong fins could move on land and go back to water. So this was about 350 million years ago. So in 1938, a fish caught in South Africa, not South America. South Africa happened to be coelacanth, which was thought to be extinct. But these animals called lobe fins evolved into first amphibians. So coelacanth was the first amphibians that live on both land and water. Okay, the reptiles the reptiles egg are shelled, so they can be dry, but amphibians do not have shells, so they do not get dry. Okay, now giant ferns pteridophytes were present, but they all failed to form coal deposits slowly. Okay, some of these land reptiles went back into water to evolve into fish like reptiles probably 200 million years ago, that is ichthyosaurs. The land reptiles were of course the dinosaurs. The biggest of them is the like Tyrannosaurus Rex, like 20 feet in height, and had huge, fearsome dagger-like teeth. So 20 feet in height and a huge, fearsome dagger-like teeth. So about 65 million years ago, the dinosaurs suddenly disappeared from Earth, and the reason that is some say climatic changes and some evolved into birds, so the reason lie between them. Okay, small reptiles of that era still exist today. So first mammals were like